A very good morning to everyone, all the blockchain developers. Can anyone please confirm me that is my voice is audible as my screen is visible? Cool. Thanks. Everyone will just wait for 5 more minutes. Okay. After that, we'll just start our class, today's class. Hope everyone can do the submissions now. So guys, we'll start our today's class. Hope everyone are present in our class today. So how was your experience, guys? I mean, I hope I got some responses. How was your response in developing in your own app? Cool. It will no problem in that. Cool. Okay. I'm facing problem with Ganache. Yeah, it will hang. I have told you like before. Yeah, it will hang when running your Ganache. The Ubuntu will definitely hang. It totally depends. I mean, it makes the whole process as worse. Cool. Make sure that if you don't want to that to be continued, please cool. Cool. Yeah, Sai Venkatar. Yeah, so yes, definitely, guys, definitely. I mean, taking into everything into consideration. Yeah, I mean today evening also the you can even submit your problems. I mean, the form will be live today evening, but at no cost. The form will be taken down after today's night. Is it clear, guys? Please make sure that you submit your so that I mean, if you take more time, see the things are getting delayed. That's the reason we have a tight deadline. Okay, so hope you use this extra time and make sure that you submit the project as soon as possible. I mean, by today night the form will definitely be taken down. Is it clear, guys, to everyone? Cool. So guys, I mean, how was your experience in developing your dApp? I mean, I know there are some cases. I mean, I have some cases. Yeah, that's great. That's great, Venkat. Cool, Bhaskar. That's great. Yeah, I mean, when things are totally different in theoretically, when coming to the practical, the things are totally different. It looks easy, but in reality, when we are doing in the practical, there are some like a side characters will play a main role when we are developing. I mean, like errors. See, we don't even know where the errors are coming and what are the mistakes we have done. So I hope everyone had, I think, given more time for solving the errors than for the flow, for output and for solving the problem. I mean, errors are common, but make sure that don't give so much time for the errors. Okay, I know the errors will be pop up. Make sure that you, when you are developing, just minimize the number of errors. Great, guys. Great. Now you are capable of, I think, I hope now you are capable of doing developing in your own app. Cool. Yeah, some students, I mean, some student has faced some problems for installing the Ubuntu also. Yeah, cool, guys. So, I hope there are, so we had responses. Yesterday we have stopped for the assignment to response. Today we have our responses. I mean, guys, for the capstone project, you will directly get the response. Okay, don't worry, you will directly get the response as we are making the form live till today evening. So no problem, guys. Don't worry about the capstone project. I hope everyone did their best. There's no need to worry about that. Okay, so all as I told you before, don't never be more into the output part, always give more priority to the flow and the logic, so that it will automatically rise. Cool. So guys, today is our last class. So this is a if you have any doubts, please clear with me. Okay, you have access to my number. You can even if you have any doubts regarding the blockchain, you can ask me at any time. If you have any doubt regarding this capstone project anywhere, please ask me now. Cool. Yeah. So making things easy at the first makes all people have to take an active participation. Great, Venkata. How many of you still need? I mean, how many of you didn't submit it till now? Cool. Take your time. Oh, see the gas limit. You can change the gas limit, but make sure, guys. I'm telling. If you get the alert message from the MetaMask, there is a definitely an error from the code. Okay, there is a definitely. I mean, make sure that see. I have did a the MetaMask will automatically take the gas fees, but make sure that there is a cases where if you get a alert, there is a definitely and even you can use a console in the web browser, guys. Please check there if you have any doubts. Okay. Oh, cool. Anudeep, what problem you're facing, Anudeep? Venkatesh, Kalyan Venkatesh, still to deploy. You're into deploy only. What are the problems you're facing, guys? So Tejas, I have just got to know you have I mean you have used any, you have tried to install the app, I mean you tried to install the dependencies in the Windows and or yeah, cool. Do you have a doc of that, the installation guide? What are the steps you followed? Oh, cool. See, guys, just whenever you're trying to install any new installation setup, always make a Google form. Make sure that what the steps you are, I mean, doing. Please try to have a doc every time when we are even developing a project, even in doing the installation setup. Okay, so for the next time, if you had any problem, for the next time there will be a no issue in spending more time on the same thing, so that whenever you have to install again, just go through the doc and the installation will be done. So guys, Tesa, it's better if you made a doc of what the installation steps you have done. Have you deployed the contract with the Ganachi and the transaction is successful? Can you see the deduction in transaction in MetaMask, Kalyan? Cool. Cool then. Then we need to check that. Make sure there is any errors. see, if there are no errors, the transaction has to be success. Okay. If there are errors only, right, if we'll get an error. Okay, after the class, everything after the class. So guys, tell me, do you have any doubts anywhere regarding this? So we have a 1 hour 20 minutes time for this, so that we'll just have a quick talk of what we have done. So what was your experience? I mean, how can we improve this course content? I mean, only the course content which I have taught. Cool. Then the transaction is on the way, means make sure that have you connected the have you imported the mnemonic from the, I mean, the seed phrase from the MetaMask last ceremony. Sorry, it's slice ceremony. See, I mean, the Venkata, it totally depends. I mean, the see, if you want to make sure you have a if you want make sure that if you want to make the server available, make sure that you use any AWS server to host a blockchain, a backend data, a backend technology, and you can make it as a live. There is no problem in that to making a local host into live. Okay, you can go through the cool. There is no problem with the Windows Muni. The only thing is we have the same flow anyway. We develop an app. So make sure that are you getting. See, adding a truffle with Windows, I mean, that's not a best way we can do, because Linux is the most user friendly when coming to the Windows. I hope Linux is the best user friendly resource we have till now. So that's why we take into most into consideration as a time. See, time is a key consideration when we're giving an online class. So make sure it is an easy process for you all to, I mean, you all to have a easy process when we are doing an installation or setting a guide. So that's the main reason we choose Linux. Okay, Linux is the best thing we can do. Anything, take anything we can do with Linux, because it's a open source. Okay, cool. That's not the problem with the npm. So hope everyone are going through their placements. I mean, use this skill. Use this skill. I mean, make sure you use this technology and improve your CV, guys, resume. Okay. But make sure you have a see, guys. There is a totally different way. I mean, okay, we have a development of depth, but when coming to the interview perspectives, the questions will be vary. Okay, there are some questions, particular questions uh, will be asked in a interview point of view. So please have a look at the interview questions for the solidity or the blockchain technology before. I suggest you to before going to any interview. Okay, please have a look at the interview questions. I mean the sample questions which are asked in the view of interview. Okay, there are some questions will be asked. So make sure you are aware of all the things stepping into this world. So guys, how the things are going with your personal project? Are it going to be done? Yeah, I mean, yeah, just a second, guys. So there is a student. Cool. Kalyan, are you there, Kalyan? Cool, Kalyan. Yeah, I'll get back to you, Kalyan, regarding your smart contracts. Yeah, I was so I didn't have some time. Okay, don't worry, I'll just definitely get back to you as soon as possible. Cool. So guys, okay, yesterday we have left with some responses. I will just have those responses continue. So is the Chandrika is there? I mean, before moving to this, do you have any doubts anyway, guys? Any questions you want to ask? Any questions regarding the blockchain? Anything? Anyway? You are open to ask me now, because yes, this is the last day. Okay, but do you have any doubts? You asked me for the private Ethereum private blockchain. Cool. I have told you before, when we are trying to develop a private when we are developing our private Ethereum network, at the last there is a step where we need to connect the account with the MetaMask. I hope everyone, I have told you to do those steps. Okay, please, if you connect the account with the MetaMask, then you can easily have access and deploying your contract. But the problem is, see, the uh, usage and the time which it takes is more. Okay, yes, we can do that, but the time is more when for deploying process, for doing a transaction. Okay, that's the main reason. See, if you want to do that, you are open to do that. Is that clear, guys? Any more? Cool. See, we had a workflow. See, there is exchange process is totally different. I mean, we can't have a differently workflow. I mean, those are the algorithms based workflows. Okay, cryptocurrencies exchange platforms. There are number of cryptocurrencies exchange platforms, but we don't. I hope it's a like a basic exchange where we have the basic algorithms. That nothing more, nothing less. But the main thing what they do is they do a they have a conversion, they have a conversion layer in the between. That's the thing we see at the front end part. See, if you want to buy a 1,000 rupees bitcoin, 1,000 rupees worth of bitcoin, you get around, I think it's 0 point something change. So what, this is just a conversion. They have a conversion algorithm so that they convert into the price, and you can see that. I mean, I have told you there is a lot of exchanges, but when you want to integrate to your website, I mean, if you want to integrate a website into a website like a I mean the wallet, exchange wallet, you can use the MoonPay part, because I personally worked on that. It's very easy, guys. Anyone can easily work in integrate that part at any way. Just have a look at the MoonPay integration. It's very easy, and you can do anything. I mean, even you can convert to the dollars. I mean, the number of, see, they had a lot of access to the lot of bitcoins. I mean, sorry, not the bitcoins, but the cryptocurrencies. No, see, last testimony. There is an address. See, no, it totally depends upon our contract. See, the input we are assigned to a student address. Are we definitely specifying the address? Then we need to definitely take an address only. There is no change in that. Are we giving? See, when we are giving an input as an address, the smart contract will definitely take an address only. Okay, if you try to give the numbers in place of in place of address, then you'll get an error. Great question, Nandana Siddha. See, the expectations now at the blockchain from the companies are a blockchain developer need to have a front end and whole knowledge like a full stack developer. Okay, they need to know the workflow, everything from front end to back end. So if a blockchain developer has to be capable of developing a whole app on his own. So that's the reason, right? We are not concentrating on the smart contract, but we are also concentrating on the front end as well as a Web3 part. Because if we, as a blockchain, we only need the smart contract to be more efficient. If we done with the smart contract, if we just show the Web3 and if we had a front end guy, the things can be done easily. But in our course, the things I have taught, it's like the front end how we to do. Even if you have a React.js, how we have to use the components, and how you have to use the state variables, and you have to pass the data from front end to back end. See, it's like a whole full stack developer. The companies are expecting a full stack developer. That's the reason you need to have a knowledge of front end back end. Is that cool, Nandana Siddha? See, oh no, I mean, always think in this way, guys. The data structures algorithms are same to any language. Take any language, the data structures and algorithms are same. No matter what language you are using, the only thing they are more concerned about your data structures and algorithms. So if you have so much if you have knowledge of the algorithms and data structure, that's enough. I mean, take any language, you can do anything. That's not a big issue. Only the syntax may change. The logic will be same in any language you take. For any problem, the logic will be same. So usage of the algorithms and the exact algorithms and the exact data structures and making sure that you solve the problems in milliseconds, then there you go. You have a great thing with the full stack part. So make sure, guys, don't stick with the Python or the Node.js, guys. Okay, always stick with the data structures and the algorithms. Please give more time to those rather than the taken. Learn one or two languages, not go with the flow. Okay, not as the Netflix go with the flow. Don't learn all the languages. Learn a specific language in a front end, back end. I mean, database one database. That's enough. I mean, everything will be same, but you see, Angular and the React.js, there are some things may changes, but there are some things they are same. The way we do is different. That's the main reason. Okay, React.js is more friendly. Okay, see, even the Solidity contract you have seen, it's like a C++ Java Python. I mean, it's not a totally different language, but we have the same syntaxes and the same structure. So please give more time to your data structures and algorithms. See, the challenges I faced are okay. Those are the challenges. Yeah, yes, I mean, the guys see the development part, the time, the things which I have did in the like past 1 week, it took me a lot of time. Okay, I had to invest a lot of time. See, I think you are seeing for the MetaMask error, the error which you are getting from the MetaMask. See that error, I need to decode it. I need to understand it. I mean, see, you can't get any errors like there are no forums for some issues. Okay, we need to understand those on our own. We need to understand the flow. So that's the reason I need to invest a lot of time. The time which I need to invest for small errors are very large. You can't even expect. I mean, for this error, I have invested so much time. The time, see, at the end of the day, we care about of the time, right? So the problem I face are investing a lot of time on the things which I didn't give much more concentration and much more efforts. Okay, so that's the reason I only tell you to don't give a much time to, I mean, don't invest much time on the errors. I like be more on the concentrate, give more time to the flow and the logic. Okay. Cool, you can get into the blockchain industry, but make sure that you need to have a much more skills. I mean, you guys, you these are the, yeah, there are a lot of things you need to cover with the solidity part. Okay, we have covered only some things which can be covered. Okay, those are like a basic, like a foundation. They are need. If you know those, you can do anything. But there are much more things, like a more efficient things. Like, see, how to import a contract like open discipline contracts. Try to do that. Okay, so there is a, if you want to bring a supply chain data, how can we do? Let's cover the abstract. Cool. See, I'll just suggest you Sai Venkata. Now you know everything, you know how to do that, but taking it live, is it does it take so much time to explore those parts? Always do your homework. If you have any doubts anywhere, please ask me that. Okay, do your homework, guys. Please have your hands on first, make your hands dirty first. No, I didn't told that you need to invest time in the certification on a specific certification, but invest some time in learning the skills. After the skills, make sure you had a certification from a nice, like a well established institutions or any online courses. Okay, but this is also one of the certifications you have now. Why are you more into the certifications? At the end of the day, even if you have a certification at the interview, they'll ask you about the questions which are related to the app development or the programming languages and the flow. Even you had a great certification, but yeah, it's worth to have a certification. But I don't search. But I'll just suggest you to give some more time in your learning your skills. I mean, developing in your skills in solidity. Please don't run to a certifications at this time. Make sure you had a definite purpose in learning these skills. I mean, make sure you enhance these skills. Later you can move to that. I'm in another case, in indeed you are doing this course for the, you had a certifications for this course also, right, from APSSDC. Cool. There are some, see, I'll just suggest you one YouTube channel, like I need to remember. I don't know the channel name, guys. I'll get back to you in the chat. But see, there are a lot of tutorials. I mean, courses. I'm not sure because I didn't check the course material till now of one of the courses. But I suggest you there is a blockchain specialization in the Coursera. Okay. I hope everyone are aware of the Coursera, right? And there is a nano program in Udacity. I mean, it's like a costly thing. I mean, you will get the exposure, but it's like a bit costly. Cool. If you have a Coursera, please have a look at the blockchain specialization given by Bina Ramurthy. Okay. So you need to if you are more into learning the things more in depth, please have a look. I mean, those courses also cover in uh, the basics part. You'll get the overview of everything. Okay, is that clear, guys? Any more? Guys, always be in an exploration mode, guys. Okay, set your mode as exploration every time. Don't, even if you learn some skill, don't stick with that part. Explore everything. There are a lot of things you need to learn for the Solidity as well as a Web3. There are things you can do a magic. Okay, there are things with the Solidity you can do magic, like it's like wonders. Please explore to the most. Implement those. Yeah, thanks for that, guys. Thanks for that, Venkat. So, do you have any more doubts? See, as per your understanding, as per your knowledge, how what you're thinking, do let me know that. Yeah, I'll definitely give the answer for that, Ramakrishna. But first, I need to know your point of view. Okay. No, cryptocurrency, no, it's totally different cryptocurrency to create the cryptocurrency. But we had a ERC token. We can create a tokens, but cryptocurrency is having your own blockchain. Okay, you're having your own blockchain, running your own blockchain, like taking a fork of the Bitcoin and running, like taking a Ethereum fork and just running your own Ethereum, like a cryptocurrency. Cool. Thanks, Venkat, for that. I have to do that. Uh, I'll suggest you guys. See, Ramakrishna, do your, I mean, just give your opinion. I'll just give that answer because as a, I need to know your point. I mean, yes, definitely, the future is like a disruptive future. Okay, see, there is a, I think there's a famous, I don't know the exact the name of the. I had read one paper. In one paper, like Don Boscott. I don't know the exact author of that paper, but he termed it as blockchain as the next big thing after the internet. Okay, he termed it as a blockchain as a best uh, thing which is done after the internet. So see the way we use, there are a lot of misconception and people are against to the blockchain because they had a misconception between the blockchain and the Bitcoin at the first, because Bitcoin is backed by blockchain. But when we talk about the blockchain, they directly move to, I mean, we are tend to move, our brains are tend to move to the Bitcoin only. Cool. Yeah. Tapscott. Thanks, Nikhil, for that. See, I read his paper, Beyond Blockchain, I think so, the paper name. Yeah, in that paper, he have termed that. See, the only thing I suggest, please open the Google Scholar. I mean, how many of you know about Google Scholar? Great. More, please, guys, search for the Google Scholar. I'll just show you guys for your understanding. I think my screen is visible to you all, right? So simple thing, what you need to do, Google Scholar, and done. Guys, in this Google Scholar, you will get the legitimate papers from all the papers. Okay, please, I suggest you to read the. I mean, if you want some new things, want to learn some new things, I suggest you to please read these papers. Okay, there are some papers which are free. There are some papers which are need to buy. But no, you don't worry. If you want to get access, there are some PDFs you'll get on the online. Please search for this. You search for the chapter name and search in the Google. Okay, you'll definitely get that. Is that clear, guys? I suggest you to don't go. Yeah, it's okay if you go for the websites or any other normal material, but I first give priority to the papers. Okay, because you get the more efficient information from the papers. Okay, these are the research papers, right? They had some uh, like a clear understanding why the exact way the blockchain is working, what the exact way you can use the blockchain. You'll get the clear understanding of that. Is that clear to everyone, guys? Cool. I suggest you all to do only go through the I mean only go through the this papers in the Google Scholar. And one more thing, yeah, it's like you're open to search for the papers, guys. There is no limitation for the only IEEE. You can do anything. You're open to do those. But guys, I need to suggest you some things. Okay, guys, I please be in exploration mode. As I told you before, give had a look at R3 Coda. Okay, R3 Coda is making sure that like it making enable for the easy transaction, having easy consensus mechanism. I mean, we can like cut, copy, paste like that. In your R3 Coda, we can have a consensus from Ethereum, we can have a contract from Ethereum, we can do. It's making a process more simple with the R3 Coda, the Coda platform. I suggest everyone have a look at the R3 Coda. You need to know, guys. I mean, don't stick with only the blockchain technology, only the Ethereum part. I suggest you all to have a look at these papers also. Is that clear, guys, to everyone? I mean, these websites. And there is one more header hash graph. Cool. So I hope this is the one more header hash graph where we have a distributed ledger technology where we can do a lot of transactions. Please have a look at this. Two websites, guys. I suggest everyone to have a look at these websites like R3 Coda and the header hash graph. Is that clear to everyone, guys? Cool. So I hope everyone are aware of the GitLab and GitHub, right? Yes. So make sure that you play with the GitLab and GitHub, and please know the basic commands. It's important, guys. Please have a know the basic commands, how the things works in the GitLab. I mean the GitHub, like push, pull, clone. Okay, how to do a commit, how to make the changes, how to search for the changes. Okay, how to revert the commits, how to remotely see, guys, this is not, I'm not talking about in the website part. I'm talking about how we do with the commands from our project. Okay, how we create a new branch, how we create a I mean, how we move to one branch to another, how we merge two branches, how we like how we do a push all the data to the remote repositories. See, this is are the things which comes very handy, guys. These are the things which saves a lot of time. Okay, Always do the things which save your time. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear, guys, to everyone? Cool. So, guys, please be more attentive, guys. This is our last class, so Abdul, are you there, Abdul? Have you submitted your project? I mean, capstone project? Have you done with your project, Abdul? Cool. Takes complete by today evening, Abdul. Okay, guys. I mean, if you have any doubts, I mean, you need to know some consensus mechanisms. They're like to, and even we are moving. I mean, we already have the Istanbul fork. Please have understood of how Istanbul fork works. Okay, what is the Istanbul fork? Even when you open the Ganachi, we are in the Petersburg fork. Okay, when you open the Ganachi at the top, you can see which fork you are in. You are in the Petersburg fork. Okay, please make sure that you understand why we have the Istanbul fork. What are the changes we can see. Okay, and one more thing, guys. I mean, I need to suggest this. Cool. Yeah, there is a loom. How many of you have gone, I mean, heard of this website? I've gone through this website, guys. Anytime, anywhere. Loom website where we can develop a crypto zombies game. Yeah, just a second, guys. I'll just show you what exactly it is. See, it's like a best tutorials you can do for developing your app front end web3. All there are courses which I can do. Okay, like making zombie factory. We are developing a contract. They have a clear explanation how we can develop a contract, like write a smart contract for a game. Okay, we are developing a game like a crypto zombies here. I'll just take into the priority this learning. I mean, you asked for the, yeah, thanks for asking me this, guy, but take this as a priority in learning this contract from this website. Okay, everyone, it's like a best resource you can find. Okay, for the smart contracts, this is one of the best, because you simultaneously develop the contract. They have a clear view. I mean, what is the exact reason why we are using this contract? I mean, why we are using this what are the use of this functionality, what are the use of this syntax. So I hope everyone please understand the importance of this loom crypto zombies, and make sure you have this learn this part. Is that clear to everyone, guys? Cool. Guys, how many of you are in LinkedIn, guys? Be fast. How many are in LinkedIn? Great. See, guys, I suggest you to use the LinkedIn to the most. Okay, make sure you have a LinkedIn profile up to date, and I'll suggest you don't ever in your bio or else anywhere write that you are in need of searching for the job, searching for the internship. Please don't write that. Always give a description what the languages you know. Please don't ever mention that. Okay, searching for the jobs, searching for the opportunities, ready to move, searching for the internship. Please don't ever mention that. Always mention what are the languages you know, what are the frameworks you know, because those are the first things when we do a search will be visible to any person. Okay, if you are making sure that if you have a like searching for the job, I mean, they don't know the exact skills you know. If you have the skills, make sure that the skills are more visible to everyone. Is that clear, guys? To everyone, improve your connections. Great. Like be more active, guys. The LinkedIn, it may be a lot of helpful to everyone. Yeah, it will help you. I mean, the persons who are looking into your profile will definitely have a look at the assignments. I mean, we can make sure that there is a pop-up for the assessments, so it will help you out. But at the end of the day, when you have the assessments, they'll have one more round. I mean, it makes sure that you are you have some knowledge on the particular language. It definitely helps you, guys. The LinkedIn assessments. Abdul, make sure that you don't delete any folder like a bill. Don't delete any folder. Just use truffle migrate iPhone network space ring. Just use that when you are deploying. Make sure you have a reset. iPhone reset. Any more, guys? Any more questions? I mean, I forgot to ask you guys, have the video of the a tutorial for your supply chain app. Have you understand that? Is it little bit slow, or it's okay, or need to be fast more? Guys, try to tell me, is it okay to is it okay, or else is it fast, is it slow? Because I'm thinking that I made the video a little bit slow. I mean, making sure that everyone do that and make sure everyone don't have any confusion. So how you felt that? Cool, thanks for that. So yeah, yeah, thanks, guys. Any more doubts, guys? Anyway, please let me know. You will inform. I mean, you'll have a there will be information in the group, guys. I mean, there will be like a 1 hour class from the Arvind sir, like a closing session. Okay. But today will be our last class. Thanks for that, guys. But make sure you complete your projects, guys. Okay, complete those projects. I mean, have a full depths on your hand. Okay, that's all I need. If you are more into this, that's what I need. Yeah, I mean, I hope if you will definitely have a cross path, guys. If you are continuing this in this field, okay. I hope I'm just waiting when we'll have a cross path. So you guys are totally, I mean, all the guys are like, are the undergraduates or graduates? Any or anyone are in the postgraduates? Great, guys, great. I mean, you are taking, you are into this at the early stage. I mean, you can do some wonders. I mean, great. Great, guys. I mean, you are at the early stage now. Make sure you use this time more efficiently. Okay. Cool, Abdul. Use this time, guys. Use this time. Use these skills. I mean, that's all I think I want. So, there are, so we are moving forward. I think I'll just give 10 more minutes for all the assessments. So, guys, I think everyone are done with the doubts, right? So, Chandrika, are you there? Chandrika, are you there? Cool, just we are moving from the Chandrika. So, Krishna Swarup, are you there? Krishna Swarup, are you there? Great, Krishna Swarup. You had the use cases. I mean, try to make sure that try to write a contract in a real time, guys. I mean, yeah, I can see there are some functionalities. Krishna said, try to implement more functionalities, and also the two case problem statements are good. I mean, for the organic products and for the registration part, I suggest you to please have a look more into the functionalities. Please explore. I mean, make sure that you are covering all the from all the perspectives. Make sure that you there are no loopholes. Okay. Great, Krishna Sarup. I suggest you to have a more functionalities. Make sure there were no loopholes. Okay. All the best. All the best for your development, Krishna Sarup. So, Dharani Ramanam, are you there? Cool. Oh my God. Tendering systems in projects. Have a nice use case. Great. Great. I hope you know the workflow, how the tenders works. Dharani? Great, great, Dharani. Cool. Do this. Okay. Develop this. I can see the flow, but I need implement this flow, Dharani. I'll just definitely help you out in this. And even for the your contract too, you have to have hands-on for the contract one. I'll definitely help you out for having it into a dApp development. Okay, make sure you develop the contract. I will even help you out even if you have any problem in making sure in any problem in the flow or anyway. Okay, you're free to ask me, Dharani. Have a look. Definitely take some time. It's worth investing time in the your contract one. Cool. All the best for that, Dharani. If you have any more need help, please contact me at any time. So, Bhaskara Rao, are you there? Cool. 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 Yeah, the contract too. This one too. Great. Great use case. Great. Yeah. Can we? Yeah. Please have a start developing the for the part two. I mean, for the contract two. Oh, Bhaskar Chowdhury. You have the use case. I mean, we need to have the look at the code and the functionality, but make sure, please develop that. Make sure, yeah, it needs some time. Make sure you develop that part. I mean, yeah, the contract one is good, but the contract two is best. Please have a look at that. Please develop that. If you need any help, you are ready to ask me at any time. I'm ready to help you out. All the best for that, Bhaskar. All the best for that. Sheshasai Paparaju, are you there? Great. I mean, yeah, the contract one is very promising. I mean, we can use that in the healthcare. Okay. And even two, contract two. Yeah, great one. Great one. Cool. Okay. You have the great one. I suggest you. Yeah, definitely, Dinakara. Please have a look. But yeah, there is a contract one. Yeah, cool. No issues. Please develop the contract one to the more functionalities. Okay. Please develop that contract one. Cool. Understood, Dinakara? Make some changes, make some variable changes. Okay. According to your own ideology and according to your problem statement. Okay. Is that cool, Dinakara? All the best. All the best. Have more functionalities to your contract one and contract two. All the best for your dApp development. If you have need any help, please you are open to call me or even I'm open to help you out. Balaji Reddy, are you there? I think you are the one who have faced lot of problems with Ubuntu, right? Cool. Great. I need to look at your flow. I mean, look at the proper flow, how exactly these things work. But cool, we need to implement those, but make sure that add some more features. I mean, don't limit to the for ticket part. Please explore or just it's like use the same use case for another uh, like another use case. You have the same thing, but don't limit for this ticket fraud. Okay, I think it's not so feasible to have the ticket for, but it's okay to have a development. But in real time case, just make sure that you have some different use case, the same thing, the same flow, but a different use case. Okay, is that clear, Balaji? Cool. There is no thing, no, there is no problem now. Please have a look, take your time, develop that. Okay, all the best, all the best for your development, Balaji. Abdul, cool. Yeah, yeah. This one is very promising, guys. I mean, the contract one of the Abdul, I mean, everyone are just trying to just make sure that you develop this part, registration part, very unique way and more efficient way. Okay. Okay, is that, and make sure you have more functionalities. Don't limit the functionalities, guys. Please explore those. I mean, I know you need some time. I suggest you to please explore more things. I mean, add some more functionalities. You have, when you have the promising uh, problem statement, you have a lot of scope to develop. Okay, I suggest you to have some more time in with this contract one, Abdul. Have a look, have add more functionalities, and you are ready to go. All the best for your development, Abdul. free Feel free to ask me any doubts at any time, anyway. Okay, cool. All the best. Rohit, are you there? LM Rohit. Rohit, are you there? Cool, no problem. Just if you have, oh, cool. See, guys, I mean, great for the contract one, for the problem statement, taking into your own problem. Please have a look. I mean, develop that. Take some time. Okay, great. You have even gave the comments. That's a great thing. Try to give the comments wherever it's necessary, guys. It's the best thing you can do. Okay. Please have more functionality and even develop with the your contract too, and okay. All the best. All the best for your development. All the best for your own problem statement which you have faced. Okay. Great, Munir Rohit. Great. So next, Sridhar Rao, are you there? Sridhar Rao, are you there? Cool, Sridhar, cool. I think, yeah, great. Please have, yeah, thanks for using GitHub here for hosting your work, for having your projects. Great. If anyone knows Sridhar Rao, please let him know he had the great GitHub. Like the thanks for sharing the GitHub links instead of writing a contract using the GitHub here. Cool. Oh, you're all from the same college? Cool, cool, no issues. Bal Rohit, are you there? M. Bal Rohit? Bal Rohit, are you there? Cool, no issues. We are moving forward. Sai Gayatri, are you there? Cool. I think you are happy now. You have your contract. I mean, you have your response. Yeah, medical billing. This one can be a great use case, guys. I mean, we can even reduce the use of counterfeit in these products. I mean, the medical part, there are a lot of counterfeits. I mean, due to the COVID situation, like we even, I mean, the people are more into, I mean, selectively choosing their products. Okay, they are taking more care in choosing the products which are, I mean, the products which are more healthier. So there are some chances like there will be a counterfeit products. I mean, this is the best. I mean, in another words, COVID had made the things turn, like made a path for the blockchain also. I mean, due to the COVID, the people are, don't have trust. I mean, the counterfeit has been increased at a large scale, and the blockchain technology can come very handy at this time. Yeah, I mean, in the other words, we can say COVID had even helped our blockchain technology in increasing. Okay, as such, yeah, great. Medical billing is, yeah. Please have a look in that. Uh, Gayatri, and the problem statement too. Cool. Yes, there is a cases where the data is missing of the employees. Please have a look, develop that. If you have any problem, please let me know. Okay, I'll definitely help you out. Is that clear, Sai Gayatri? Please, all the best for your further development. Cool. So guys, I think, yeah, we are done with the responses now. So we have left with more 15 minutes, I mean, sorry, 16 minutes. So do you have any doubts with your problems, any doubts anyway, please ask me now. As we have discussed everything, do you have any more? Or just want to give an overview? Uh, so there is a crypto. Cool, you can, Navya, you can. You're open to do that. I mean, you want to unmute? Do I need to unmute you now? Cool then. There you go. Just a second. Can you unmute from your side? Try once.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible. Go ahead.
A very good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good.
Okay, sir. And very good morning to my dear techies.
Guys, before
Sir, am I audible, sir?
yeah, guys, I mean, one of your students wanted to share our experience. Please go ahead, Navya.
Okay, sir. Sir, first of all, I should say very big thanks to Arvind sir, because he created me interest on this technology. Because I'm a new to this course, and I am next big thanks to you, sir, because you answered my questions with a lot of patience, sir. And finally, very thanks to my team who supported me in everything. Especially big thanks to Rakesh bro, Venkat bro, Pranit bro, Gayatri sis, Dharni sis, and Ramkrishna sir. I attended many courses in APSST before, sir, but this course makes me a lot to learn. But I don't stop this course here itself, sir. I definitely continue in blockchain. That spirit gave me in this course, sir.
Cool. That's great. That's great, Navya. That's good to hear from a peer student. Thanks for sharing your opinion. I mean, thanks sharing for your views, Navya. Great. Are anyone taking the step forward and want to share anything? Your views?
Sir, am I audible, sir? I disconnected from the session, sir, when I unmuted myself.
Yeah, you're audible. I'm just making you mute. I mean, are you done? Are you want to
Yes, sir.
share anything more?
Nothing, sir. Thank you a lot, sir.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks for your words, Navya. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for taking the initiative and sharing. You need a lot of courage to do that. Great. That's a great thing. Please, can you unmute yourself? Cool. Are you anyone there want to share their experience? Cool. So guys, great. Great one, Venkata. You guys have, yeah, great. Yeah, most of you guys have a lot of sense of humor. Yeah, I saw yesterday. Cool. Even the chat, you have great. Yeah, those some people have the best lines. Cool. Please continue that. Please have a sense of humor, guys. Even I enjoyed the yesterday's lines. Great. So guys, let me know. Do what are the plans you are doing for the next? I mean, how you want to take this forward, this course? I mean, this skills you have learned. So guys, one more a thing I want to share. I mean, take it, consider it as a suggestion. Like how much theoretical knowledge you have, when you come to the technical part, the things are totally different. Okay, yes, but yeah, the theoretical knowledge will help you, but the practical will definitely beats the theoretical part. Okay, always remember that. Make sure that how much theoretical knowledge you have, please, the things when we come to the real time practical knowledge, practical way of implementation, that everything will be totally different. The way we see things and the way we do the things are totally different. Okay, I suggest you, please don't limit yourself for the theoretical knowledge regarding anything. No, I'm not talking in the perspective of the blockchain technology. I'm taking into consideration of everything. Please try to, when you try to implement, even when you try to implement the DApp, see, there are some things which are when you're learning, when I explain some things, they look good. I mean, you understood the flow, they look good, but when you are trying in the practical way, things are totally different. You have a lot of errors. You can't get the exact way. You'll get different errors that you don't even know why that error is coming. Okay, we need to understand the flow, every flow. So I hope, I suggest, please guys, don't limit yourself with theoretical knowledge. Even if you know theoretical, the things are totally different at practical way. Is that clear, guys, to everyone? Explore your skills, guys. Always be in the exploration mode. Don't limit yourself. Yeah, there will be a definitely a statement. I mean, there will be a last session. I mean, I think tomorrow, yeah, I'll get a information. There will be a 1 hour session, like a closing session, will be taken by Arvind sir. Okay. So we'll have a conclusion today. I mean, we conclude the technical part. I mean, the models which I've covered today. Okay. So you'll have a word with Arvind sir tomorrow. No. I'm not a streamer. You don't worry. You need to have a laptop when we are into the blockchain development. You need to have those specifications. Okay. I'm not into streaming. I play games, but no, I'm not a streamer. Yeah, I mean, you'll get that information, guys, in the group. Guys, I mean, if you are more into this blockchain part, please have a configurations. Okay, please increase your configuration. I suggest, yeah, as I'm using personally an Asus gaming part, gaming laptop, I suggest everyone, please have this Asus gaming laptop. They are having a good configurations, have even the cooling systems. I mean, the cooling part is very good. Okay. Yeah, it's like, yeah, more into specifications. I'll just explain you the basic part. So I have a top NVIDIA GTX 1650. I mean the top end. See the configuration. Try to have a see. I suggest you everyone to have a SSD, guys. It's fast. It makes things fast. So, and even have, I suggest you people to have a Google, like a minimum of 8 GB RAM and allocate more and try to have a cooling system, guys. That's important. So having the configuration is not a big thing, but having I mean, the best cooling system is important, guys. So please make sure that, I mean, the Asus will give the, as it's more into the gaming part. I mean, for the gamers, so the cooling system is very great in the Asus. Okay, please, I suggest you to have explore the those specifications. See, I mean, I personally use around see, I have a 512 SSD. Okay, I have a 8 GB RAM and one. It's a basic like 1 TB hard disk and a high-end GT NVIDIA graphic card. So, but I have only the Intel 5 i5 9th generation. Okay, so need to update that part. The Intel part, make sure that only concentrate. I mean, it's better if you have a SSD. It's make things more fast. Yeah, I mean, for the WhatsApp group, we need to have to ask for the APSSDC team. Okay, you'll get a confirmation from the group. I mean, from the team. Okay, don't worry about that, Ramakrishna. Any more, guys? So I suggest you everyone to have a look at the Ethereum developers guide. I mean, I have showed you, right? And always make sure all the code is on the GitHub, guys. Please pull the code what you have developed to GitHub. Please develop there. Had a clone, had a push, had a pull. and have a Visual Studio or IDE, the one which you like the most. Play with the code. Okay. Any more? Any more? Thanks, guys. Guys, I just want to conclude this class by see. I personally say I know I personally feel that I have a best experience with you all. I mean, you are so fast and so attentive, so active, making me to push my limits. I mean, even I have to push my some limits to explain you all in a very short span of time, and you are just accomplish. I mean, you accomplish the fastness and making sure that you are ready to go to the market. I mean, that's the great thing you guys scored. Okay, don't as I told you before, you are the best. Okay, please continue that part. Okay, have the same enthusiasm, guys. Please have the same enthusiasm you guys have shown till now. So does the I mean, have a motive. Okay, that's push you to the limit, to the utmost limit. Okay, you are the guys which have the most I have seen till now. I mean, when consideration taking from all the people, you guys have the best, like the more attentive and more open to learn things. The see, having an open mind to learn things is the best thing. Okay, not prejudging the things, but open to learn and new things are the best things you have to know. You are more attentive, more active in completing the assignments. I mean, more concerned and I mean, even asking me to even consider their assignments. I mean, one of your student have did like they had to complete this assignment. They have took some time. They have completed this, but that's a great thing you have did. I mean, great thing, guys. So there are some students who are much more active. Like, see, there are students which I call like see like Ramakrishna, Gayatri, Satya Gauri, Abdul, Anudeep, the students are more active in explaining all the students. I mean, the in the group also Bhaskara Chaudhary, Dharani, Dinakar, Vivekananda, see these Hari Krishna, Jyotsna, Kalyan Venkatesh, yeah, Rohit, Monish Babu, I mean, Praneeth, I mean, Rakesh, I need to mention these, Gayatri Anishetty, Satya Gauri, sorry if I'm mentioning them again. Tejas, I mean the Tejas in Kurti, the guy, this guy, yeah, please explore these guys. You are the see. I even know have a names of you all. Okay, please, please, guys, you are ready to go. And the Sujana Priya, of all the best thing, you all guys, you are open to explain. I mean, help all your PE students. That's the best thing you can do. Okay, that's the best thing. I congratulate everyone. Okay, I each and every student who took the active participants. But these are the names I have most have seen the most for the time. Okay, the panda. The I don't know the name of that guy, but the panda. Oh, Teresa, is that you? Oh my God, the panda guy. So you are even active in the WhatsApp. Yeah, thanks. I mean, yeah, one more student I need to yeah, please, uh, the student who have due to some exams have didn't attend the classes, please stay, make sure that I can see you are in the class. Is that you? I think so, right? Jyotsna, if you are in the class, please take some time after your exams and let me know when you're done with your exams so that you will complete that part. Thanks. Please continue this rapport, guys. If you have any doubts, I'm open to help you all. Okay. Mm, yeah, you are open to ask me at any time. I'm help you all. I'm ready to help you all. That's the thing I have to do. Okay. If you have any doubts anywhere, please let me know. I do. Oh yeah, I don't even know. I have those vibes like even after even. for ending the classes, I feel like I'm missing the things which I have to do from 7:30 to night, and even a 3 hour class at Sunday. So in the small time, you guys have made me feel so cool. Yeah, I need to mention that. You guys have made me so free and so cool in having those classes. Okay, I can even explain those classes with a free mind. You guys have did that. Yeah, thanks Ramakrishna for that, for helping all the students. And even I congratulate, I mean, the guy, there is a one guy I need to mention, I mean, who took a active initiation at the first, but I don't know, I can't, I mean, the Manav, there is a guy called Manav. Oh my god, is that you, Venkata Reddy? Yeah, great, I need to mention you, Manav. Thanks for taking the initiation, Manav. Cool. See, those are some names which I remember, not the names which I most see, not with the full name. So we have a name. Cool. So please have those, please continue those, and guys, please continue the sense of humor. And I like those lines. And whenever we meet again, we'll just have those memories with us. So guys, please, if you have any doubt, I conclude that by saying, if you have any doubt, you are open to me. I mean, everyone have my number, right? So please, if you have any doubt at any way, you can easy to even have a word with me. Okay, if you have any doubts anywhere, is you are open to ask me. Is that clear to everyone? Cool. Even if you have any doubts anywhere, even I'm even active on the LinkedIn. You can even connect me with the LinkedIn part. Okay, please have a look and have a learning. Great experience, guys, working with you all. Thanks for your words, guys. Everyone, please, I hope everyone have to work on their problem statements which have did. Okay, I suggest everyone to have a look at your problem statement. That's what I want from you all, because the students who have taught, who have trained, have to move from this course with the 4 dabs on their hand. Okay, having 4 dabs on their hand is the best thing a instructor have to cherish for that moment. Okay, in this short span, the students who had a no experience have learned to create a 4 dabs in a no time, means that's a great thing on your own. So please thank yourself, guys. Okay, thank yourself, and thanks for taking this continuous efforts for me, and having your efforts, keeping more efforts. I mean, trying to do some things which are out of scope of your, like the installation part. I congratulate each and every student for taking an active participation. Okay, thanks for everything, guys. Hope you have a great blockchain developer world. Hope we cross a path in a near future. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay, bye. Take care. Have a great day, guys. Thank you all. Please, everyone, please submit your today capstone projects by today. The form will be closing by today night. Okay, thanks everyone. Have a great day.